Hello students, I am Dr. Renu Kohli, Associate Professor in Zoology at Government Bangalore College, Pali. In my last lecture, we studied about antigen, their structure and function. Today's topic is antibody structure, function and classes. Antibodies are also known as immunoglobulin. They are large Y-shaped protein produced by body's immune system when it detects harmful substance called antigen, like bacteria and viruses or cancer cells. The production of antibodies is a major function of immune system and is carried out by the type of white blood cells called B cells or B lymphocytes. When an antibody binds to a specific antigen, it removes external factor and cancer cells in variety of ways. Structure of antibody. Each antibody molecule has 4 polypeptide chains, 2 long and 2 short chains arranged in Y-shaped structure. The long chains are called heavy chains and 2 short chains are called light chains. Hence, an antibody is represented as H2L2. Antibody are also called as immunoglobulin. This is the structure of antibody. It has 2 regions, FAB and FC region. Each function is carried out by these 2 parts of the antibody. FAB is fragment antigen binding site and FC is fragment crystallizable region. FAB region is a region on an antibody that binds to antigen. It is composed of one constant and one variable domain of each of the heavy and light chain. This domain shapes the paratope, the antigen binding site. FC region is the tail region of the antibody that interact with the cell surface receptor called FC receptor and some protein of the complement system. This property allows antibodies to activate the immune system. The FC region of immunoglobulin bears a highly conserved N glycosylation site. The amino acid sequence at the tip of Y varies greatly among different antibodies. This variable region gives antibody its specificity for binding antigen. The variable region include the end of light and heavy chain. The constant region exhibit limited variation. Now, there are different groups or classes of antibody. These groups differ in structure and their biological property. The class of antibody is called isotype of the antibody. There are 5 isotype or classes of the antibody in human: IgG, IgM, IgA, IgD and IgE. IgG. IgG immunoglobulin antibodies are large globular protein and it is the most abundant antibody isotype in the blood, accounting for about 70 to 85% of human immunoglobulin. IgG detoxify harmful substances and is important in the recognition of antigen-antibody complex by leukocytes and macrophages. IgG is transferred to the fetus through the placenta and protect the infant until its own immune system is functional. IgM. IgM usually circulates in the blood, accounting for 10% of human immunoglobulin. IgM has a pentameric structure in which the 5 basic Y-shaped molecules are linked together and they are linked by J chain. B cell produces IgM first in response to microbial infection. IgM enhances ingestion of cells by phagocytosis. IgA. IgA is abundant in serum, nasal mucus, saliva, breast milk and intestinal fluid, accounting for 10 to 15% of human immunoglobulins. IgA forms dimer, means 2 IgA monomers joined together. IgA is found in breast milk, protects the gastrointestinal tract of neonates from pathogen. Main function of IgA is to bind antigen on microbes before they invade tissue. Ig are also first defense for mucosal surface such as intestine, nose and lungs. IgE. IgE is present in minute amount accounting for less than 0.001% or 0.001% of human immunoglobulins. Its original role is to protect against parasite. In, it is found in the regions where parasitic infection is rare. IgE is primarily involved in allergy. IgD. IgD accounts for less than 1% of human immunoglobulin. IgD antibodies are expressed in the plasma membrane of immature B lymphocyte. IgD is also produced in a secreted form that is found in small amount in blood serum. IgD plays a role in induction of antibody production. IgD is important in the early stage of the immune response. Bound to B cell, it does not circulate. Instead, it signals those cells to become active. This can help to stimulate inflammation. IgD is least understood type of antibody and its function are still being discovered. Thank you.